Once you're inside your platform, this is where everything starts. The first thing you want to do is open a chart. This is where you're going to be reading price movement and making decisions. Every platform is a little different, but the goal is the same. Find your chart, bring it up, and get comfortable navigating around it. Now let's talk about symbols because this is important. Every chart represents a market. For example, MES is the micro S&P 500. MNQ is the micro NASDAQ. There are larger contracts like ES and NQ, but for beginners, I want you focused on the micro contracts. They're more manageable and easier to learn with. Right now, your goal is not to jump into size. It's to understand movement. Next, let's talk about time frames. This controls how fast your chart moves. A 1-minute chart moves faster. A 10-minute chart is slower and smoother. For now, I want you focused on the 5-minute and 10-minute charts. Keep it simple. Before we add anything, we want a clean chart. One of the biggest mistakes beginners make is adding too much. Indicators, colors, signals, it becomes noise. Right now, we're keeping everything simple. Now let's add a couple of basic tools. First, volume. Volume shows you how active the market is. Second, moving averages. These help you understand general direction. That's all you need right now. Don't overcomplicate it. Now let's talk about the buy and sell buttons. This is where execution happens. Buying means you expect price to go up. Selling means you expect price to go down. We're not focusing on trading yet. We're just understanding what these buttons do. Now let's briefly talk about bracket orders. A bracket order is simply a way to manage your trade automatically. It includes your entry, your stop loss, and your take profit. Each platform sets this up a little differently, whether you're using a brokerage or a prop firm. Now look at your chart. You'll notice price moves up and down in waves. Every move creates a high and a low. These highs and lows are what we use to understand the market. Later, we'll break this down into support and resistance and supply and demand. But for now, just start recognizing the movement. Support is where price tends to stop falling. Resistance is where price tends to stop rising. You'll see this happening over and over again. Don't worry about mastering it yet. Just start seeing it. Right now, your goal is not to trade. Your goal is to understand what you're looking at. Get comfortable with your charts. Watch how price moves. Start recognizing patterns. Pause this video. Set your charts up exactly like this. Spend time looking at them. The more time you spend watching the market, the faster this will start to make sense. In the next video, we're going to break this down even further and start understanding how to actually read the market.